Ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma reported, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the day of resurrection, Allah will not look at the one who trails his lower garment, qamis or turban, arrogantly.
Right, so we have got the qamis and izar. Izar is underneath the qamis. Let's say the qamis, you got the thobe, you got something below, like sirwal, it could be izar, wrapping. So those, they cannot be longer than what? The ankles. Because here the Prophet ﷺ, he said that the isbal, making isbal, is not just in the thobe, but also in the izar and also in the imama. Now this is the thing when I'm going to talk to you. In particular Gulf country, one of the teachers, he teaches maths. So when he brought his scarf was really long, almost to his knees. You know, they've got sizes, these scarves, and they've got even fashion. So they've got print 5, print 15, print basma, got basma 15, basma 16, and they've got, I don't know, you see, maybe you've got as well lengths, 56, 60. So mine was a bit short, and his really long. He got about extra length like this. So why are you doing this? He said, I can't go and teach the students with the short one. They keep laughing at me. That means that, you know, this is not really going along with the fashion. So the fashion for them has to be what? And every year it goes longer. And they are just like these people after the fashion, which is the latest and the latest. They are the same thing. What is the latest basma of your scarf? From this scarf of yours, they know which year it is, which make it is, how old it is it following the trend or not? Subhanallah. لَتَتَّبِعُنَّ سَنَنَ مَا كَانَ قَبْلَكُمْ شِبْرًا بِشِبْرًا ذِرَاعًا بِذِرَاعٍ حَتَّى لَوْ سَلَكُوا جُحْرَ ضَبٍّ لَسَلَكْتُهُ. We following the trend of these people inch by inch to have the same thing, you know, like for example, they're selling things like, let's say for example, the dogs as well. They've got competition of the dogs, correct? Which is the best of the dogs? Competition. We got the same competition. What is the best goat? You don't believe me? Oh, subhanallah. Wallahi, the most beautiful goat. One was sold £200,000. A goat, £200,000. See, why are these people doing this? Because these dogs, we got what? Goats. We got the goats. What's so special about goat going to be? It's the most beautiful. How are they going to determine it's beautiful? So they've got now rules. How long is the ear? No, that's how it is. Long. That goat, which is 100,000, really extra long ears. Really prolonged. So this is beautiful. Huh? £200,000. Google it. Just do a most beautiful goat. And those cost a lot, such and such money. When I saw this, I said, where the Prophet ﷺ is saying, Wallah, you're going to follow the steps of those people. Prophet of Allah, he said, you're going to follow the trend of Banu Israel. Even if one of them is to fornicate with his mother, you're going to do the same thing. Yes. Even if one of them is to fornicate with his mother, and we have heard, وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ, about this. وَسُبْحَانَكَ اللَّهُمَّ وَبِحَمْدِكَ أَشْهَدُ أَن لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا أَنتَ أَسْتَغْفِرُكَ وَأَتُوبُ إِلَيْكَ. Inshallah, we'll just